Hello, everyone. My name is Dhruva, and I'll be offering a course on the inverted tree, living from the spine through movement, meditation, and mantra. This is in March between the 9th and 13th. We use every component of really the whole repertoire of the body and the mind, the breath, the senses, imagination, feeling, language, words, in order to choreograph some kind of inspiration. One of the guiding rationales for this course, you might say, was the idea that the body is a universe in itself. We'll be working primarily with this metaphor, which is of the inverted tree, that actually comes to us from this text called the Bhagavad Gita, which imagines the roots to be above in the sky and the branches to be below, because the spine partakes of that nature of bridging between the spiritual and the physical dimensions. So in this course, you'll really be working with different aspects of this embodied self, with the breath, with the voice, with the body, with the mind, and how it can be used to create all kinds of experiences. So the spine functions at multiple levels of embodiment. And what's fascinating about the spine is that it's, on the one hand, very unobtrusive. It's never really demanding our attention, but it's subtly working along and resonating with different parts of just who we are, of our embodied selves, right? With the creative, with the expressive, with imagination, with movement. And one of the key ideas behind this course was also that there is a kind of interesting balance between movement and stillness that we're all aspiring to all the time, and usually tend towards one more than the other. And attending to the spine can become a very powerful way of trying to find an exact balance between movement and stillness. And this applies to, again, all levels of embodiment. So we're talking about that equilibrium as it applies to the body, as it applies to the mind, as it applies to the breath, to the voice, and so on. And obviously, it's unique again for each one of us. Please join me in March, again, 9th to the 13th of March, for exploring the mind and the body and the breath and the whole repertoire of whatever makes you, and looking forward to it.